We have Richard Morley from RJM Gas doing a combustion analysis setup on a modulating boiler. How you doing, Richard?
Good. So we got the TPI DC 710. The probe is already set in. We've already been outside, done the setup for this. So we're just going to connect it. So dead easy. Set it up. You can either use the magnets or the hook. I like the magnets. That easy to do. Put the pipe out of the way. We're just going to put the boiler into low fire. Okay, so boiler's firing up. So we're going to start the pump off. Dead easy. Let's just set that up there. We want the low fire to be on 10 to 10.3 CO2. So while we wait for that, the high fire should be between 10.3 and 10.6. So we're just waiting for the boiler to warm up.
Richard, I notice you have it set up for degrees Fahrenheit. Can that be changed?
Yeah, you can set it to Celsius or Fahrenheit, whichever one you like. Also, you can have the gross efficiency for North America, or as in Britain, you'd have net efficiency for Britain. So we've got 10 on CO2. We need 10.3 to 10.6. So we just go in here. And we're going to go anti-clockwise on this gas valve to increase the high. So it just takes a few minutes to come up. Okay, so we got 10.3 on high flame. So we want to create a report. So it does a GPS on the actual boiler. So we're going to go high. Level 2. Set. So it's done the report for the customer. You want to save it to a job. Save. You pick your customer. Saved it straight away.
Now, Richard, what have you done now?
So now we're going to set it to low flame. So the boiler did cut off, but we're just going to wait for the boiler to level off to where it likes on low flame. And we need between 10 and 10.3 on low, on CO2. So we're 10.2, so we're bang on what we want on low flame. 10.2 is brilliant, it's between 10 and 10.3. So we create a report, GPS again. So we're going to put low, because it's low flame. That's done the report, you save it to the customer. Same customer, and that's it, we're done.
Now, for your documentation, you can just go straight to email and email that off to the customer?
If the customer is about, you want to get them to sign off on the actual report. It does do their signature on the actual report. I've already put my signature on the report, so it will actually send all the reports together, whatever you sign off on. So then you've got a copy, the customer's got a copy.
Richard, after you've completed your low fire and high fire setup, this information, what do you do with it?
So what you can do, you can come out of the actual flue analyzer, you can go into job management, you view your last job, your customer, you go view reports, so you can have a look. If you're satisfied with that, you can go to sign off. The two reports will be signed off. So we can get the customer to put the name. So we put customer Mike, and we can ask him to sign. So he will come along and actually sign. And then we can save that. So now it's created a report. So my signature, customer's signature, that's low flame. This is high flame, and then we can actually send it straight to the customer. It's already gone. It's actually moved into the already, where is it? There you go. It's already moved into here. So the actual job is already done. I've got a report. So if I can go into my reports, there it is, already turned up. So,
Nice. A lot easier than the manual printers that we used to use.
yeah, we're finished with the flue analyzer. So we're gonna, I can't turn it off at the moment because we need to clean the flue analyzer. So we're gonna disconnect. With the brew, it's always good. You're going to have condensation water in here. You can actually drain it, shake it, or the best way is disconnect, blow, you're done. Always do this so it doesn't freeze in the winter time when you got it in the truck. Now we've got to a point where it's we can stop the pump, and we're done.
Thank you, Richard.